Hi, second graders. Happy Tuesday. Today we will have our Google Meets this morning at 9:30. And then I would like you to, either before or after the Google Meets, go ahead and open up your Journeys book to page 520 and you can listen to and then read Now and Ben. And then I want you to go to Pebble Go and learn more about Benjamin Franklin. So if I click on the link, I'm going to type in the username 112CHN, password star, and you're going to learn more about Benjamin Franklin. Then I want you to complete a writing job about Benjamin Franklin and upload that to Seesaw. So I want you to have a topic sentence. I learned a lot about Benjamin Franklin. He was a great inventor. And then you can list 3 to 4 details about what he did that made him a great inventor. And then a closing sentence. And then at some point today, I would like you to read to self for 20 to 30 minutes. If you are looking for other jobs that you want to do today, you can research other things on Pebble Go, and you can complete a Raz Kids and a comprehension quiz. All right, have fun learning today, and let me know if you have questions.